Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the tutorial types out there. Choosing the type of your tutorial depends on the topic that you pick. For example, if you're creating a content about something broad, it's important to cover the main aspects. If you're creating a content about a certain solution of a certain problem, it's important to remember that your goal is to solve a problem. In this video, we're going to cover some of the tutorial types out there, and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite examples. So let's go. So this is Fireship, one of my favorite YouTubers. The topic that he chose was Solidity, the programming language designed for developing smart contracts. He not only explains what Solidity is and how it stands out from any other programming languages out there, but also touches upon its history, including the when and why behind its creation. So, given the expansive nature of Solidity, the choice to approach this subject from multiple angles allows for a comprehensive discussion. This is a broad subject, so he chose to discuss it on several levels to really explain Solidity. This is a great example of discussion-based tutorials. So let's continue with his another work, Is Web3 All Hype? Top 10 Web3 Questions and Answers. In this video, he decided to use the Q&A technique, Q&A-based tutorials. His goal is to answer each and every question the audience might have about Web3. I mean, this is a great example of Q&A-based tutorials. He chose this type of tutorial because it directly addresses the curiosity and concerns of his audience. By structuring the content around the top questions people are asking, he ensures the tutorial is highly relevant and engaging. So this method not only provides clear and concise answers to common questions, but also allows for the explanation of a complex concept associated with Web3. So also this Q&A format fosters a more interactive learning experience. Viewers feel like they're part of a conversation. This can make the educational process more personal and impactful. Okay, so this is also one of my favorite YouTubers, Powell. Now we're looking at one of these video tutorials on how to center a div in the context of web development. So he's targeting an audience, people who are looking to center a div. I mean, in this tutorial, he provides the code in here and he shares his results of his work in here. And he's doing it in a step-by-step manner. This is a great example of a problem-based tutorial. Okay, so these types of tutorials are my favorites. And I've shown you some of the examples of those tutorial types. In the next section, we're going to talk about what to do when you're creating a written tutorial. So let's go.